Quantitative data encompassing everything from customer interviews to open-ended survey responses provides the depth and context that numbers alone cannot. While quantitative data tells us what is happening, qualitative data digs into the why and the how, offering insights into customer motivations, feelings, and experiences. But how do we harness the power of qualitative data effectively? First, we must improve how we capture this type of data. This means refining our tools and methods, such as enhancing interview techniques and developing more engaging surveys where open-ended responses can provide actionable insights. Next, we must focus on analyzing the data accurately. Unlike numerical data, qualitative information requires different processing methods. Textual analysis, thematic categorization, and sentiment analysis are just a few techniques that can transform raw qualitative data into meaningful insights. Integrating qualitative and quantitative data is where the real magic happens. This combination allows us to enrich our understanding and enhance decision making. While qualitative data might show a drop in product sales, qualitative data can explain why the customers are dissatisfied, capturing nuances that sales figures alone cannot. To foster a more holistic approach to performance management, we need to evaluate the status of our qualitative data in our organizations. This means advocating for equal consideration of qualitative insights in strategic decision making and ensuring those insights are accessible and valued across all departments. Achieving this integration isn't just about improving tools or processes. It's about changing our mindset. We need to value stories as much as statistics, understanding that the full picture emerges only when we consider both areas. We can make more informed, comprehensive decisions by embracing qualitative data's potential and integrating with qualitative analysis. It's time to break the tradition of focus solely on the numbers and open our eyes to the rich, descriptive insights of qualitative data. Let's harness the full spectrum of data to drive smarter and more effective organizational strategies.